Yo, what's good, broskies? So this video is called How to Learn Math, sponsored by at88, otherwise known as Evan on Twitch. Okay, so what's math? Well, you're about to find out. The traditional method of teaching mathematics in school, as you can see here, math skill going up and stage of life going to the right, starts with numbers and counting, basic operations, geometry, algebra, trig functions, complex numbers, calculus, and at the very peak, differential equations. And then I assume that comes after you complete college. Like calculus 3 and differential equations are probably the most difficult math classes supposedly in college, and then just falls straight back down to when you enter the workforce and you enter all your information on a Excel spreadsheet. And all of this is based on set theory. So in set theory, there's the natural numbers, the integers, rational numbers, algebraic numbers, real numbers, and imaginary numbers. This is based on the assumption that mathematics starts with numbers and counting, but you'll see later on that it's completely wrong. In this paradigm, infinity is possible and time is money. So let's say you have 4,000 IQ. You will never be able to climb this money pyramid because it is entirely fictional. And some bonus trivia. In 2019/2020, the total value of paper Federal Reserve notes in circulation was less than the total amount of student loan debt. So hypothetically speaking, if students decided to hold on to or pay back this so-called debt using only paper notes, there would not be any paper notes left in circulation. And the remainder would be some combination of binary numbers on a Federal Reserve database. So, I mean, this debt stuff and numbers, it's just made up baloney, hogwash, scam, hoax, slavery system that honestly, if you got rid of it, the world will be a better place. And in 2021, the crypto market cap exceeds the total value of paper Federal Reserve notes in circulation. That's around like crypto past 2 trillion crypto market cap. And my question for you is, what is a digital Federal Reserve note? Now, moving on to the real math, in this paradigm, the stage of life is a circle, and learning the basics does not become meaningless later on, as in this traditional mainstream method. Phi is the only real number, and imaginary numbers are phi minus 1 or 1 over phi. It's the same, 0.618. Factual mathematics is not based on axioms or postulates and is derived from absolute nothingness, aka void. And in the fictional method, you see set theory progression going out, but in real math, the progression starts with point, line, plane. This is where numbers come from. And then tetrahedron. All symbols are built upon that. And after tetrahedron, I'm sure is the Kumarian polytypic tetrahedroid, or an octahemioctahedron. Either way, I'm pretty sure your DNA is not completely random, right, you stupid monkey? That brings us into using quantum units as energy, and the only time is now. So the future has not yet happened, and the past is no longer. So consider using quantum energy instead of QE infinity for your mathematics endeavors. And this is how do you explain this? Can someone explain this to me? You hash some phrase, you hash it through SHA-256, and then you perform proof of work by hashtagging that hash on the BSV blockchain, and then if you want to donate, or if you want to purchase a video such as this one, send me $10 worth of BSV to this account and I'll make a video. But disclaimer, $10 is the base amount, so if you want me to just make a video based on what I know on the moment, I just pull out my camera, record whatever I think at the time, and just upload the video like that. But if you want more in-depth topics or better video editing, that's gonna cost a little bit more. So depending on what your budget is, we can work something out, and I'll be able to make a video on your topic of choice, and hopefully that video will be able to teach people something new. So if you like this video, leave a thumbs up. Thank Evan for sponsoring. Subscribe and have a nice day. Bye-bye.